1992, we present the fabulous What's the Scenario remix. Whereas there are 7 MCs, 6 which are in physical form, 1 which is in spiritual essence, and he goes by the name of
check the round, pump that ass again, God F it. Shit, I lick buckshots, hood, madman, I rip up stages, lay down your waist, sound wild like Larry Davis. Extra, extra, pick up a clip, I tear ass out the frame, and grab my dick. I'm a rap sock, a robot kid, I drop bombs, I'm rugged and deadly, so I shit on a petty. A baseball bat, a bastard, I'm bad news, I'm crazy and clever, cut those of crews. I'm deaf on a phono, my skills are pono. You say, oh no, you bitch ass homo. A bag up weight, electrifying, I'm prime time, I slaughter slime. I'm the greatest of all times, sick ass brother, nasty ass nigga. I pump slugs in your face and jump that ass in the river. 2 tears in a bucket, fucking kick the can. Say what, say what? I'm a bad, bad man.
Quick is how I flip from the tip of the lip, punching out hits like Gladys Knight in the pips. The 5-foot assassin has just raided your area. Your booty rounds are whack, and that's the reason I ain't hearing you. So, roll out the red carpet, cause I'm king of this. Vanilla Ice Platinum? That shit's ridiculous. Excuse my French, but profanity is all I knew. And to your other sellouts or your FQ2, and let it be known, I'm not the one to step to. You better off calling D-Nice to your rescue. Freestyle fanatic, probably the best around. As for corny MC like Chuck D, I shut him down. The article Don of hip-hop, and I won't stop. The 5-foot assassin has come to wreck nut shop. So do like Michael Jackson and remember the time. Put on your dancing shoes or something, cause you sure can't rhyme.
big up, into new identity. Next one says something, can you pass it to me? What does it take to check a technique? Many styles, many styles. Hostile heat brings burst of energy. Marlowe in the dance is the new identity. 1-2 mic check, select for the roughneck set. 10 to 1 bet, I come correct. In my ciphers of blocks, I bring box to connect with knots, so I can grow dreadlocks. Maintain the rock, don't stop the rock. Maintain the rock, don't stop the rock. Kick it right then, it what's it not. I would rock longer, but fear is fierce. So see Brown, are we in the clear?
Yeah.
See Brown, are we in the clear?
Yeah, make it move, y'all. On and on and on.
Check it out.
To the break of dawn.
Who's that?
Just one of the LONS. And I drive called Quest, East Coast to West. Remix mad kick, more than Metallica. Tall empty fall like the Battlestar Galactica. Stamping, stomping, romping, Compton.
People all over the world.
I'm Prompton.